is a teaser that is sure to intrigue. Have you had your tiki mug cocktail? Cabali and the Tiki Mug Obsession explores the colorful subculture of tiki enthusiasts who create and celebrate and collect ceramic drinking vessels known as tiki mugs, as well as the artists that create them. The film follows Finical, a man with a dream, as he assembles a team of craftsmen and artists to build a tiki bar dedicated to his overwhelming collection of mugs. At its core, Cabali and the Tiki Mug Obsession is about community, passion, and purpose.